guess this?
It's in an omelet.
Cheese.
Peppers.
Cheese. Farmers.
Somebody said it.
Okay, I'm driving
was
along. They're green, red, yellow.
Light. A stoplight. Traffic light.
Yes, very good.
Yeah, Ched's our weak link right here.
Hurry up, Chad.
What does
you
it
carry
say?
water in it.
A water bottle.
Canteen. No, it's like metal, and there's a lid. There's
Wrong,
a
Chad.
flask. No. Down. Skip it. You carry this. You close in it when you go on a vacation. It's your duffel bag. It's your what?
Are you guys kidding?
Suitcase. No. What is all that? What do you call it?
Wardrobe. Luggage.
Yeah.
Okay, I went, I'm in school and then I left school, so I'm
Traveler. Absent.
I'm not
College dropout.
dropout.
Oh.
Oh.
No, you should have